Bollywood actresses are fashionistas and they keep that label up even after getting married or being a mother. The way these gorgeous beauties carry themselves and balance their work and family should be appreciated. They should be considered as inspirations in every possible way. Here are some of the hottest mummies of Bollywood today. Check it out. The dream girl Hema Malini can still give many young actresses in Bollywood a run for their money. She still looks ravishing and it's hard to believe that she's a mother of two, where both of them are now married. No one can ever look so hot and charming at this age, as the Dhak Dhak girl wows many hearts. Madhuri Dixit broke 1 million hearts when she got married with Dr. Sriram Nene and left for the US. However, the mother of two sons is back again now to leave us dumbstruck with her grace and eternal beauty, no matter what would be her age, but she's still a Dhak Dhak beauty for one and all. The charm, the enigmatic and the $1 million smile of the actress is simply matchless. Shilpa Shetty's body is something she can always boast of. She can easily be tagged as one of the slimmest and fittest actresses in the industry today. While the world watched her growing during her pregnancy, it hardly shocked anybody when she was caught in various events by looking fit and fine in only 2 months later, the birth of a baby boy. Meanwhile, the actress is also known for launching her own yoga sessions DVDs. She's definitely one of still a hottie mummy in Bollywood. The Hawaii girl Sridevi never fails to amuse us. Mother of two, Sridevi still keeps her body fit and fierce. In her comeback film, English Winglish, she proved yet again that age doesn't matter to be fit, fine, hot and sexy. Kajol is a working mom and also appeared in films on and off while raising her children, most notably Fana and My Name is Khan. She's one such actress whose beauty shined even more and more after marriage, where even after the birth of her children, and thus we think Kajol's figure looks better after delivery. She's a self-confessed fitness addict who loves to be in shape and just can't get enough of her workout sessions. It was shocking to see a hefty Aishwarya Rai Bachchan after her delivery, but she surprises all by carrying it off with grace. Though much was said about the weight of the former Miss World, but she had once again regained her figure and shape and still manages to look drop-dead gorgeous like earlier. However, the actress is regaining a hot body each and every time by continuing to dedicate all her time for her baby girl Aradhya. Now that's impressive for this yummy mummy. Gauri Khan is an ex-model, wife of superstar Shah Rukh Khan, and also an interior designer, a film producer, co-founder of her husband's home production, Red Chillies Entertainment, and a mother of 3 children. Well, nobody can even dare to judge the age of Mrs. Gauri Khan even today. She maintained her looks and figure very smartly and now is one of the hottest yummy mummies in Bollywood. When Lara Dutta gave birth to a baby girl, in just 3 months' time, she had shed almost all her baby weight and emerged out with a graceful figure. It's being said that after giving birth to an adorable baby girl Saira, Lara was seen happily taking yoga to shed those baby pounds slowly but carefully. And now, one can easily say that she's among one of the hottest yummy mummies in B-Town. It's hard to believe that Karishma Kapoor is a mother of 2. The gorgeous diva has managed to keep her body and beauty intact, which deserves a big applause. She's still looking slim, trim and fabulous as ever, as one could imagine. She ruled many hearts during 90s with her bold beauty, and now, after 2 decades, she still rules many hearts with her charismatic beauty. Malaika Arora Khan can be named the sexiest mom of Bollywood. Being a mother of 2, with husband Arbaz Khan, she's not even shy about burning floors with her sizzling item numbers. She has maintained her hourglass figure even after delivery and is also an encouragement to many. On the whole, Malaika is a true inspiration on how to be in a sexy figure and remain fit even at this age.